So, guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and this is the second part of the series AutoCAD for beginners. In this video, we'll start with this drawing toolbar. If you don't know about all the toolbars in the ribbon window, then you have to go check back my AutoCAD tutorials for beginners part 1, and this is the part 2. Okay, so in this we are going to start about the draw toolbar. In this toolbar we have options of line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, oval, hatch, and many more like SP line, join line, and we'll learn everything about this in this video. So let's start with the most basic and the most used command, which is the line command. It has a shortcut of L, and it is very simple. You just have to specify the first point, and as you can see, you can draw any specific line from this. And if you turn on the grids over here, then it will show you this straight line option, or else you can just press F8 or just click over here, the restrict cursor ortho, and it will just then it will just create a straight lines, the ortho 90-degree lines, which we say. Okay, so this is how the line command works in AutoCAD. So it's very simple. So the next is the polyline command. Polyline command is generally used in working drawings of AutoCAD architecture drawings, right? The polyline is such a command in which all these lines we just drew right over here, this all are as a single element, right? As I'm selecting over here, it is all a single element, right? So what a polyline do is it will create as one element. I'll make a same shape similar or something like this only, and after completing the shape, yes, you can see this will be a single element. It won't be different separate elements like this. As you know, I'm selecting it over here, it will be a single element. So by just a click, this whole will be selected. Okay, so that was the polyline command in AutoCAD. Then we have a circle option. Okay, so circle by radius, this icon shows that this will draw a circle with radius. So just by specifying only one point, we can just drag the cursor and we can make a circle as big as we want. And if you want a specific radius of the circle, if and the shortcut is C. If you write C, then circle command will start. So if you want a specific radius of the circle, let's say I want 18 inches, and this is a circle with perfectly 18 inches in size from the radius. Okay, so the next is the arc. Okay, first we'll see the options that we get in the uh, circle option, that is the center diameter. So as we click on the first point, it will draw a circle according to the diameter you specify, as you can see over here. So you can specify the specific diameter that you have, and AutoCAD will make the specific circle. Then we have a 2 point circle in which you have to select 2 points. This is generally used for checking measure drawings in architecture also. But let's see. So just you have to specify the first point, and then you have to drag your cursor and just specify the second point. It is just like diameter only, but diameter will create a circle in both ways. This creates a circle in one way, right? So next is a 3 point circle, which is a more specific kind of a circle where we want to create, a circular opening in a plan or something like that. So this will be useful for you, as we have to select first point, and then drag your cursor, select the second point, and then you have to select the third point for creating a circle. So as you saw that I did 3 points. It was one over here, then here, and then here. This specifies the perfect circle that you want. As I told, these types of circles are used when you are doing a measure drawing. A very specific inch by inch drawing has to be done. Then this type of circle are supposed to be drawn. Then we have a tangent radius circle that it will create a tangent the with the circle that you do with. So here you have to specify a tangent, which is I'll specify this as a tangent, and then draw a circle. And yeah, this is the same circle that we had drawn with a two bar menu with the same with tangent. Also we can do the same, just we have to specify the tangent point and it will create the same circle. Then we have the arc tool. Arc tool, this is a 3 point arc tool where you have to specify the first point, second point, and then you have to specify the third point of the arc where it will create the arc. So basically it's like the and the shortcut is a. So you have to select the first point, then you select the second point, and then you select the third point where you want this arc to be, and this arc will be made in no time. Arc also gives options of many types of arc that you can use, but this is the most used and the most easy thing of making an arc. And you can also try this arcs on your own and let me know in the comments which is most useful for you. So next we'll go is with the rectangle option. Here it, as it the name suggests, it will create a rectangle. So we have to specify the first point and drag the cursor, and then whatever size we want, we can even type the specific uh, size over here and it will create a rectangle over there. So as you can see, by just one click you can create a rectangle. This also gives an option of polygon where you can draw any number of sides polygon you want. Let's say I want an 8 side polygon. Okay, then you have to specify the center of the polygon and then inscribe in a circle. So as you can see, this polygon is made with 8 sides which is inscribed in a circle. That means if I draw a circle from the center of it, then it is inside a circle, not outside the circle. Okay, this also has an option 2 that is on let's say I want an 8 side polygon. This is the center and I want circumscribed around the circle which is out of the circle. So this will create a different type of 8 sided polygon. So this is what it is. As I told before, if I draw a circle over here, then this polygon is on the end of the circle. So that's all for now. And rest, the hatch is a different object that we use in AutoCAD, so that I have explained it on my channel, so go find out that video. This is the basic drawing of shapes and lines in AutoCAD that you need to know. So rest, I will continue with the modify annotation and the rest of the commands over here on my next video. That will be the part 3 of the video. So stay tuned and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.